Okay, so I have come to ascertain that the worst feeling in the world is knowing somebody's mad at you. I mean, it's up there, like knowing that you made somebody angry enough where they're not talking to you. It's pretty far up on the list of things that suck. Um, I mean, it's nearby like getting arrested or having to call your parents and tell them that you fucked up. But it's up there. Knowing somebody's really mad at you, especially when it's somebody that you care about. I know I shouldn't care. Whatever. Save that conversation. It's pretty bad. And I will solve this with feathers. Feathers. Fierce. 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 Okay. Anyway. I think I'm in a better mood because I'm not hammered, and that's good. It's unusual for a Friday night. Usually I'm here like, hey guys, stroke victim. But, I don't know. I think I'm handling it okay. Or maybe, subconsciously, this is what I want. I want him to not talk to me anymore, because everything for the past year has been so awful that I'm just ready. Maybe I said what I said on purpose so that he would stop talking to me and I can move on with my life. Because the other day I applied at a couple bars in Buffalo, and I'm actually thinking about going home. Thinking about just moving, like call it a day. June 1st, just leave, because there's nothing for me here. I have a couple of friends that I love dearly. Like, my friends that I have here are really, really cool. But as far as like career and all that stuff, there's no reason for me to be here. And I can take this with me, because it's fierce. Anyway. Sorry. Blair Witch. I really want to smoke, and I know that I bought some cigarettes, and then I hid them from myself, and then I found them, and then I hid them again, and unfortunately I found them when I had just taken my Ambien, so I have no idea where they are. That sucks. I really, really want one. I'm just like... Anyway, I'm gonna eat my sushi, and think about Miss Diva Kitty, and, go to sleep, I guess. Maybe he'll call me tomorrow, but you know what? I'm not obsessing about it. It sucks, because I still think that he hates me, but it's not like the focus of my life right now. Okay, positive note. Right.